some of the wrong pronunciation and all these things, if you are not totally relying on the very perspective to follow my words, okay, so just jot it down and just write and just ask me at the very end of the class, okay. So people probably over here, many of you are new, okay, but I think I have gone through some of the people over there. I can see some of the names, probably Mriganka, okay. I have some Babu, Kaushik probably. So I have some of the people, okay. They know me well, okay. They have learned with me, okay. So in between you also, there are many newcomers, okay. And therefore, in this whole session of 60 hours, okay, we will be totally been going through the respective syllabus of Assam, be it including the Assam geography, be it including the Assam economics, polity, okay, history, art and culture, and various current affairs that I will just integrate with you all. Okay. Any current affair that is associated in the past year, I will be also been giving some of the very PDF form notes, and also if some important things needs to be discussed and to be written up, then obviously I would supply them in the class. Okay. Everybody should directly take a pen and your particular page or paper so that you can write up some of the important points that I told you over there. Okay. So if any type of, supposedly if I directly going through a particular topic and I'm highlighting some specific words, specific points, specific topics, at that point of time, you have to jot it down. Okay. And if you have any doubt or you have some other queries in associated with that particular topic, you can freely ask me, okay, or you can just post something in the very group. I have directly asked and requested Anuj sir to create a separate group for the people who are purely going for the Assam specific portion. Okay, so that the other people who are your batchmates residing in the other states of our very own country, तो उन लोग को हमारे लिए कोई दिक्कत ना हो, तो इसीलिए हम लोग क्या किए, एक अलग से ग्रुप बनाएंगे. तो वहां पे आई विल बी पोस्टरिंग every type of specific Assam related topics, and therefore you have to totally brush up such type of topics, such type of PDF, such type of notes that I provide you all over there. Okay, so I want your full support with this 60 hours of class so that I could streamline the very topics that is very much required for our upcoming exam. And yes, in this very class, since we know that people should know the proper use of the local language, that is FS. I hope everyone, okay, I don't know how many members are there, okay, maybe some more will join. Please reply with me that everyone must be comfortable in Assamese. I'll be using both the words. I will be using both language, English and Assamese. Everyone is comfortable with such? Because see, this is a some specific portion. In some scenario or in some specific topics, I have to and must have to go with the type of Assamese words. Without using such Assamese words, I cannot directly make you understand the related topics associated. Okay, everyone should reply who are over here now. Everyone I am telling. Okay, I am not telling that I will be going fully, not much fluent, but I will try to understand. But yes, you have to, because this specific exam needs you to go through a particular subject of Spanish. Okay, may not be in some of the other areas, but at least since you are going for a respective civil servant which you will become in this very state, so you must know at least this very local language. That should be very much specific over here. Okay, so therefore, I'll be going with the mixed languages, be it English, be it Assamese. I'll be barred from using Hindi over here because I know, because this is a very state-specific exam. So therefore, yes, I am not telling you Ringsindi, and I want some more ones here, Ringsindi and Sukanya. Okay, so don't worry, I am not telling you to be fluent over here. Okay, but at least you can capture what I am telling. Okay, let's try to understand. Okay, যেতিয়া ইয়াতে আমি ডিসকাস কৰিম, যেতিয়া আমি ইয়াতে কথাবিলাক সুধিম, যেতিয়া আমি কথাবিলাক আমি we will try to understand at that very point of time, these two girls, what I am telling, Will Sandy and Sukanya, you will at least understand the gravity of these very topics that I will discuss over you. Okay. যিটো বস্তু আমি লোকেলি পোৱা যাওঁ লোকেল বস্তুটো আমি সদায় লোকেলি ৰাখিব লাগে so that we could directly feel attached to work for this very state. Okay, because we know that Assamese is the main official language of this very respective state. Okay, so I'll go with this very mixed topics or these mixed languages of English as well as Assamese. जो दरकार पड़े मैं अসমীয়া यूज करिम and in 80 to 90% of the time I will try to go with the English form. Okay, so over here, so whenever probably I'll be using my screen, I may go off with my video, okay, but my live voice will be there if anyone has got any queries. Okay, after getting the topic done, as I have already requested you that after the topic, after the discussion I have been done, just note down anything that you just missed to understand or you are not going to directly follow it. So at that point of time, after ending of the topic, if I directly ask you that everybody has understood this very topic, everybody has got through this very topic or not, at that point of time, you can just ask me by putting your mic on or by writing your message. Okay, yes sir, I have got a problem in associated with this very phrase that you have seen. Okay, this is the very particular point, this is the very particular instance where I have missed your very dictation. So at that point of time, I will repeat it for sure. Okay, and obviously you have got many of your batchmates and all. Okay, so anyone also if I dictate something over here, okay, so obviously I have told you there will be a particular group. So in that very perspective, you also have to help each other of your friends. Okay, never be something very much of jealous to your very friends. See, I have also got my friends with my prior experience. I am telling, I have also got my friends who have been selected in this very coveted position. Okay, but still I am here to help you all. Okay, I will still help some of the people who are in need. So therefore, if you are directly thinking that no, this is my type of thing, I will not share my notes, I will not share my very particular agenda with respect to this exam, you are directly acting biased before you are entering into services. So whenever, in the due time when you are entering into the services, you will have your fellow mates. So কেতিয়াবা এনেকুৱা এটা সিচুৱেশ্যন আহি যাব য'ত তোমাৰ এনেকুৱা ফিল আহিব যে তেওঁক মোতকে বেছি এটা মান ইজ্জত দিছে বাট মোক কম দিছে, but still we are holding the same post. So this যিটো আমাৰ ভিতৰত এটা ভাৱনা থাকে বা যিটো আমাৰ ভিতৰত এটা we have a particular type of tendency যে তাৰ কাৰণে আমি কিয় কৰিম, this is my very thing. Okay, we will not go for something to help the other one. আমি এটো নিজৰ কাৰণে ৰাখিছো, this particular strategy is for my own, we will not help the others. তাৰ নিজৰ প্লেন আছে নিজে কৰিব, but helping or lending a given or lending a very helping hand is the main priority which can directly take you to the interview. আৰু ইন্টাৰভিউটো এইবিলাক যিবিলাক বস্তু নহয় আমাৰ ভিতৰত থাকে, okay, we have in our inner building, এই বস্তুবিলাকে আমাক ইন্টাৰভিউ বহুত হেল্প কৰে. If you are over here sitting and taking my very dictations, মোৰ বস্তুখিনি গোটেইখিনি তোমালোকে গ্ৰাস্প কৰি ল'লা, but you are not discussing with your friends. Okay, you do not share anything related to your studies with your friends. So at that point of time, you will get into an individual which the examiners or which the particular interviewers will directly capture. You know, this man is not for the help of the other. এই মানুহজনে পহলে আগতে নিজৰ কথা ভাবে, তাৰ পিছত বেলেগৰ কথা ভাবে. But you should particularly know that service to the people is service to yourself. Please mind this one. Service to the people is a service to the self. If you are helping the people, if you are sharing some of the ideas to your people, you will get your reward in any form in the near time. মই আজি পোৱা নাই, okay, মই ইন্টাৰভিউত গৈ ধৰিলা I am not able to go through that very passage of time. মই ইণ্টাৰভিউত গৈ ধৰা ৰখি আছো বাট সেইটো বুলি am I stopping myself to help you all? No, I am not. Okay, I'll be in this very 60 hours. Okay, people who knows me to june muk jane tahate to like they will come regularly to attend my classes. Enekwa like bhal laga class hoto. Okay, even I have seen some of the people from the very other batch. Okay, like 1 year 2 years agor batch manu dekhisu moi. Okay, staff college batch kumba dekhisu moi. Okay, probably I am not recognizing their names well, but still I have seen some of the people. So in a due period of time, even if you ask them personally, you will love the very class because these classes will be filled with less nonsense and more knowledge. Okay, I talk very less nonsense and I directly speak something from my very heart. Okay, I have everything in my mind, but I teach you with my heart, combined with my mind. Here pa knowledge to lo, heart pa tumalok ko. Okay, so I play with my heart. And whenever I play with my heart, I have a good bonding with you all. More bonding to bhal bonite tumalok lo. Okay, so there are various people over here. Okay, and also I am directly going with some type of thing. At least over here. Okay, I am requesting you all. I will say what is the reality. I will say what is directly happening in our state, particularly. I will be saying something which are official in nature or which the government has officially recognized. I am not saying over here, I am not an unofficial person, I am not an unethical person also. So, moi jikhini kotha kom, it will be purely official in nature. It will be purely ethical in nature. Because you have got a subject, ethics, integrity and aptitude. So tateo tumalke bahut khini ethical knowledge tapa loba tumalke. Okay, so at the point of time I'll be going with some of the ethical knowledge, I'll be going with some of the less nonsense knowledge, and jikhini moi talks korim, all these talks will be less nonsense. I may use some form of sarcasm. Okay, being a matured people like you all. Okay, I hope everyone is matured over here. Okay, so don't take it something in a negative way. That okay, sarcasm bahut kiba kibi koi ase. No, it's not something like that. You all are mature things. You all are people who will be joining the civil services in the near time. You will be running the whole state. The whole state will be administered by you. You will be posted as a district collector in a particular district. The whole district is under you. So at a point of time, you need to be very much mature. You need to tackle everything that comes on your path. Okay, so there will be various instances. Keep your opinion, keep your religion, keep your caste, keep everything which is totally hindering the society aside from this very class. Okay, to be frank, I am directly telling myself to be an atheist person. I am totally an atheist. Okay, I do not believe in God. I do not believe in God. So therefore, I am telling that at this point of time in this very class, please keep aside everything that may turn you to be into a negative thought. Have a proper rational viewpoint on every topic or every discussion that I directly discuss with you. Have a rational view over it. Be rational over it. Okay, you cannot afford to be irrational over it. And keep your shame. Okay, if I directly taunt you something, if I directly give you a jerk, that why you are not showing me something like this, why you are not answering me something like this, sare mok aji beya ke kole aji mo mon to beya, sarok beya palo, saro reviews to bahut beya ke di. Keep aside all such things. আমিও বহুত খালো আমাৰ টাইমত. ওকে, আমিও বহুত খালো আমাৰ টাইমত. তেনেকে আমি শিকি one step কে শিকি আমি আগবাঢ়িছো. Everyone is something like that. Because all of you over here at least take me as your mentor, if I am not wrong. Okay, so if I directly goes to be your mentor, if I tend to be your mentor, then obviously I will also scold you in some form of time. Okay, and I am what? I am totally, because already sir has told you, I have gone through the very CAPF exam. So I am kinda military rule of person. Okay, I have got some of the studies or my very post-graduation in the internal security of this country. So I know the very respected things in associated with the military, in associated with the good conduct, in associated with the discipline. So in my class, everyone should be in a discipline form. Okay. তোমালোকে ভাবিবা what is the discipline in this class? Offline হলেও বুজি পালো কি ওকে স্যার আহিলে উঠি দিব লাগে, ঠিক আছে ফাইন, স্যার আহিলে গুড মৰ্ণিং ক'ব লাগে, গুড আফটাৰনুন ক'ব লাগে, ইভিনিং ক'ব লাগে। বাট অফলাইন ক্লাছত কি কৰি অনলাইন ক্লাছত আমি কি কৰিব লাগে? আমিতো ইয়াত যেনেকে তেনেকে বহি থাকিব পাৰো, আমি শুই পেলাইও শুনি থাকিব পাৰো ছাৰৰ লেকচাৰ, আমি খাই পেলাই শুনি থাকিব পাৰো ছাৰৰ লেকচাৰ। ওকে, আমি পাবজি COD খেলি খেলিও আমি ডাইৰেক্টলি ছাৰৰ লেকচাৰ শুনি থাকিব পাৰো, শুনিব পাৰা। আই হেভ ন' ইছ্যু উইথ দ্যাট। বাট যদি মই ধৰি দিওঁ মাজত যে ওকে ফাইন, মই এইমাত্ৰ যে কথাখিনি ক'লো, ওকে লেট মি আণ্ডাৰষ্টেণ্ড ইট ডাইৰেক্টলি মই পইণ্ট আউট কৰি দিম যে ফৰ এক্সাম্পল মৃগাংক এইটো মই কি ক'লো লাষ্টত কৈ দিয়াচোন মোক, আই জাষ্ট ফৰগট। So at the point of time, I will get to know that okay fine, this guy or this girl is directly following me on my basic dictation. And also, ahi palai, when I am directly entering my class, you should directly greet everyone. Enukwa nohoy ki ahi palai directly message likhi dia, obviously we will be going with the evening classes. So obviously muke directly heri kora, good evening sir. Okay. যোনে মাইক খুলি পেলাই মোক ডাইৰেক্টলি মন কৰিব, অ'কে ফাইন, গুড ইভিনিং ছাৰ, আই উইল জাষ্ট ৰিপ্লাই উইথ ইউ অল। অ'কে, মই এবাৰে কৈ দিম গুড ইভিনিং টু ইউ অল। ত' তোমালোকেও এনেকুৱা নহয় কি ডাইৰেক্টলি মোকে ডিনোট কৰে। দ্য ফ্ৰেণ্ডছ অফ ইয়াৰ্ছ, অ'কে, দ্য ফ্ৰেণ্ডছ অফ ইয়াৰ্ছ অফলাইনত দেখিলে কি কৰোঁ আমি? এটলিষ্ট গুড ইভিনিং নকওঁ আমি, কিন্তু ধৰি লওক আমাৰ বেটছমেটছবিলাকক যদি আমি অফলাইন ক্লাছত গৈ পেলাই যদি ধৰি লওক আমি ক্লাছত আহি আছোঁ দেখোঁ, আমি কি কৰোঁ? আমি চকুৱে চকুৱে হাঁহি দিওঁ এবাৰ, অৰ মে বি স্মাইল, এটা স্মাইল কৰি দিব পাৰোঁ, অৰ বাই চকুৱে চকুৱে ঐ আহিছ, ঐ আহিলি। ইট ইজ চামথিং লাইক দেট, দেটছ দ্য টাইপ অফ গ্ৰীট which you all do. Oh hi, everything which you can directly do in your very class. Offline class আমি কৰি দিওঁ, ঐ আজি তাতে বহিছ নেকি, তই তাতে বহ, আজি মই ইয়াতে বহো দে। অ'কে, মই লাষ্টত মই শুনা নাপাওঁ ভালকৈ ছাৰৰ ক্লাছটো, আজি মই আগত বহো দে। কোনোবাই ক'ব মোৰ চকু বেয়া, মই পিছৰ পৰা নেদেখোঁ, মই আগত বহো আজি। So in a very class, you greet yourself with teacher. কেতিয়াবা কিবা এটা চেকা যাম, মই কিবা এটা ক'লে, এই ছাৰ সি জানেনে, সিও এনেকৈ কৰে ছাৰ। So obviously তাকো পইণ্ট আউট কৰিলা। So in that way, you greet each other. বা কেতিয়াবা তাক যদি মই ঐ তোৰ নোটখিনি দেচোন, তোৰ হেণ্ডৰাইটিংটো ভাল, এইটোতো কাৰোবাৰ এটাতো ডক্টৰ হেণ্ডৰাইটিং হয়, ই গমেই নাপাওঁ। চ' এনেকৈ আমি মানুহক গ্ৰীট কৰোঁ। বাট হিয়াৰ ইউ কেন নট টক। অ'কে, ইয়াতে তোমালোকৰ ক্লাছটো তোমালোকে অবভিয়াছলি চাইলেণ্ট থাকিব লাগে, নহ'লে তোমালোকে যদি বকি থাকা মই কি ক'ম। অ'কে, চ' হিয়াৰ কাম এট দ্য ভেৰি ফাৰ্ষ্ট পইণ্ট, গুড মৰ্ণিং, গুড আফটাৰনুন, গুড ইভিনিং, যেতিয়াই আমাৰ ক্লাছ হয় একৰ্ডিং টু আৱাৰ কনভিনিয়েঞ্চ, জাষ্ট গ্ৰীট অল। আৰু কোনোবাই যদি মোক স্পেচিফিকেলি কৰিব মন, দেটছ ইয়ৰ উইচ, গুড ইভিনিং ছাৰ এণ্ড গুড ইভিনিং টু ইউ অল, অৰ গুড ইভিনিং ছাৰ এণ্ড টু অল প্ৰেজেণ্ট। Shall I expect this from everyone? Please reply me with yes. Okay, good. So that's the thing. Okay, in that way, you are totally interacting with your very society. Okay, তোমালোকে খালি হাতে বহি থকা নাই, you are at least interacting with your society. So at the point of time when you are interacting, you are using your mind. তেতিয়া কি হ'ব? তেতিয়া অকণমান চকুটো মানে আমনি কম লাগিব। মোৰ ক্লাছত আমনি নালাগে, এইটো মই বেছিকৈ কোৱা নাই, বাট ষ্টিল আই এম জাষ্ট মেকিং ইউ অল ফিল মোৰ ক্লাছত আমনি নালাগে। অ'কে, এনেকুৱা কথা ক'ম যিখিনি কথা চাগে শুনাই পোৱা নাই। অসমৰ আছা, আই কেন ডাইৰেক্টলি চেলেঞ্জ ইউ ইন দিছ ভেৰি 60 hours, অল দ্য পিপল আৰ ফ্ৰম আছাম। আছামৰ নহ'লে কিয়নো APSC দিব আহিবা তোমালোকে, এলাৱে নকৰিব। অ'কে, আই এম নট টেলিং that all are directly specifically related to this very community which speaks only Assamese. No, ito pa na hindi. I am telling that all the people over here are from Assam. Yes, that's very true. Okay. বাহিৰত ওলাই গ'লে আমাৰ ফিল হয়, আমাৰ অসমৰ ভিতৰতো আমি বহুতখিনি ডিফাৰেঞ্চিয়েশ্যন হয়, কোনোবা বড়ো হয়, কোনোবা কছাৰী হয়, কোনোবা মিচিং হয়, কোনোবা ডিমাচা হয়, কোনোবা কাৰ্বি হয়, বহুতখিনি ডিফাৰেঞ্চিয়েশ্যন। বাট যেতিয়া আমি বাহিৰৰ অসমৰ পৰা বাহিৰত ওলাই যাওঁ তেতিয়া when I respectively show your ID card at that point of time তেতিয়া এটা চেন্টি আহি যায় তেতিয়া অসমৰ মানুহ কি বিচাৰি বিচাৰি আমি বিচাৰি ঘূৰি ফুৰো সব জেগাতে বিচাৰি ফুৰো ওকে ফাইন এইখিনিত আমি গামোচা এখন দেখিছো that means সেই বিল্ডিঙৰ সেই ফ্ল্যাট নম্বৰত এজন অসমীয়া মানুহ থাকে irrespective of any caste community gender আমাৰ হেতু মেটাৰ নহয় আমাৰ মেটাৰটো কি আমাৰ মেটাৰ that there lives a people or there resides a people who is from my state অসমৰ পৰা ওলাই গ'লা ইণ্ডিয়াৰ পৰা ওলাই গ'লে কি হ'ব তেতিয়া আকৌ ইণ্ডিয়ান টেন্ডেন্সিটো বেছি আহে তেতিয়া উই আৰ পিয়ৰলি ইণ্ডিয়ান ক'ৰবাত যদি দেখিলা হিন্দী গান এটা চলাই থকা বা ক'ৰবাত যদি একদম ভোজপুৰী গান এটা চলাই আছে লগেলু ললিপপ ওকে ক'ৰবাত পাঞ্জাবী গান এটা গাই আছে ওকে ক'ৰবাত তেলেগু গান এটা গাই আছে ক'ৰবাত NTR নাচি আছে ওকে বিজয়ে নাচি আছে তামিলনাডু ওকে So at that point of time, ক'ৰবাত দেখিলা মাগাধীৰা ফিল্মখন চলি আছে ক'ৰবাত দেখিলা বাহুবলী ফিল্মখন চলি আছে So at that point of time, oh Indian, भाई तुम कहाँ से हो? So at that time, if he directly does not know Hindi also na, to impress you, because he is also a person of this very country. So क्यों आता Indian का tendency आता है? So overall, the people over here will purely an Indian. But since we are divided by our very state, okay, but we are totally a citizen of this very country, and therefore we have got a lone citizenship. Amara the dual citizenship nai, just like USA or Switzerland. Central or Amar center or union level to Amira citizen hoy, Assam or citizen. No, we are not recognized directly as such. Amakaniki, we are firstly Indian, and then with respective to the concerned state. And one, if you are concerning with the respective state, if you directly amalgate yourself with the state demography, at that point of time, you could assimilate yourself well with respect to the other people of your very respective state. Okay, yeah, say in this very group or in this very thing, we can see that people over here are directly irrespective. Okay. Do you have anything over here? Okay, people over here, they may be some other community. Kumba Karbi hobo, kumba Missing hobo. Okay, kumba Boro hobo pare. Okay, kumba the indigenous Muslims hobo pare. Kumba the tribal peoples hobo pare. Some particularly are from the, because Assam is well known for the tea, world famous tea. Kumba tea tribes hobo pare. So everywhere you can see that there are a very vast community of people, because in not only India, even our Assam kholo, we have got a diverse community base. Ami pohim tribes of Assam kiman ta community ase, kiman বিলাক আমাৰ directly festivals আছে. Okay, আমাৰ সব বস্তু থাকে. Okay, people fear to go to each and every other state. Okay, sorry, to each and every other district. মই কালি গৈ আহিলো কোকৰাঝাৰৰ পৰা okay, like even just before lockdown I went to Kachar district. So what's the issue with such? This is the particular place of this very state of Assam. হয় ক'ত হয়? So ক'ত মানুহবিলাকে directly কয় যে এইখিনি জেগাত যাবলৈ দিগদাৰ, এইখিনি জেগাত যাবলৈ ভয়, and all these things come. The thing when you does not respect the very belief of that respective community. That's a clash ketia hobo? You being an outsider will be treated when you are not respecting the very identity, when you are not respecting the very belief, the faith of that respective community to which you are visiting. মই যদি ডিমা হাছাওত যাওঁ, ডিমা হাছাওত গৈ পেলাই ডিমা হাছাও গডৰ ওপৰত যদি মই আনাপ চানাপ বকিব ধৰোঁ, obviously মোক তাতে ঠেং ভাঙি পঠাব. Okay, বাৰু ঠিক আছে আনাপ চানাপ নবকো, মই জাষ্ট গ'লো, তাহাঁতে কৈছে যে দিছ ইজ আ ভেৰি চেঞ্চিটিভ ৰিজন, সেইটো কাৰণে আপোনালোকে ইয়াতে 6টা বজাৰ পিছত আপোনালোকে ইয়াত নাহিব. Okay, this is a scheduled region that is directly considered under the Schedule 6 of the Indian Constitution. But 6টা বজাৰ পিছতো মই তাতে উস্তাদি মাৰি পেলাই গজাব গৈছে, আৰে মোৰে ষ্টেট হয়, I have the right to move to each and every place in India. This is a place of India. More article more in this very article of fundamental rights, I have got such type of rights. So what we are doing, you are not following or you are not directly respecting the very beliefs and faith of the respective community. So at that point of time, obviously you will be kicked off from there. আৰু তাৰপিছত আহি ইয়াতে উৎপাত কৰি থাকিবাহি ডিমাচা মানুহখিনিয়ে তাত যাওঁতে মোক এইটো কৰিলে আহকচোন তাহাঁত গুৱাহাটী আহকচোন তাহাঁত শিৱসাগৰ ৰংঘৰ চাবলৈ তলাতল ঘৰ চাবলৈ দেখাই আছো তাহাঁতক তাহাঁতৰ পৰা বেছিকে লুটিম তাহাঁতে অসমীয়া ক'ব নাজানে ন দেখাই আছো অসমৰ টেষ্ট কি হয় ভলুকা বাঁহেদি পিটিম অ'কে ক'ম বাৰু ফেচিছ অফ বেম্বোজ ভলুকা বাঁহ চবেই জানে চাগে ইয়াতে অ'কে যোনে নাজানে উইল ষ্টাডি ডোণ্ট ৱাৰি অ'কে তো ভলুকা বাঁহৰ পিটন খাবলৈ বৰ বেয়াকে লাগে ভলুকা বাঁহৰ পিটন এটা চবেই ভাবিব চাগে ছাৰে মাৰ খাইছিল চাগে ভলুকা বাঁহেদি নাই খোৱা নাই মই শুনিছোঁ সেই শুনোতে যিটো দুখ পাইছোঁ নহয় মনত গম পাই গৈছোঁ যে আচলকে পৰিলে কি হৈছে অ'কে তো ভলুকা বাঁহৰ কোব বৰ ডাঙৰ কোব হয় অ'কে বাঁহডাল ফালি নাযায় কিন্তু তোমাৰ গাটো ফালি যাব এইটো ভলুকা বাঁহৰ কোব হয় চ' অবভিয়াছলি ভলুকা বাঁহৰ কোব খাব লাগিলে কিয় খাম if you are not directly going with a very belief of the respective society. Okay? So in the very due circumstances, if you are obliging with the very belief and faith of the respective community, ছটা বজাৰ পিছত তাতে ওলাই যোৱা নাই ছটা বজাৰ পিছত তাহাঁতে যিটো কৈছে সেইটো শুনিছা যিটো টাইম দিয়ে তাহাঁতে সেইটো টাইমৰ পিৰিয়ডৰ ভিতৰত গৈছা obviously at that point of time you can see that you will be the most treated individual in the respective district. ইমান ভালকে হস্পিটেলিটি দিব তোমালোকে যদি তাহাঁতৰ কথা ভালকে মানা অ'কে ভালকে যদি কথা মানা বহুত ভালকে হস্পিটেলিটি দিব I have visited Dima Hassan. I have visited Kachar region. Okay. Dima Hassan gole you cannot find people speaking Assamese over there. Okay. You cannot find such. But if you go and ask them humbly, say, Dada to common bhai. If you go to Karbi Anglong also, Upper Assam also, Lower Assam also, Dhuburi also, Kodia to Dhuburi and North Bank to South Bank, Barak Valley of Brahmaputra of Sea of, it's not bordered. Dada is common. Dada Baido. Sobe buji pabo. Hekhini bostu sobe buji pabo. Hekhini language barrier to common. Dada, muk etu jagat loi jabo niki? Utho. Though they do not know Assamese, they will treat you humbly. Okay? But the main thing is what? But the main thing is your respect. Tak jodi koa, hey, hello, individual, efla. Otola, efla. Muk etu jagale loi bolsun. Tar matha to gorom hoi jabo. So Allah bahiro pa ahiso, ahi pela muk yata dom disohi mur local jagat. Tok kotu ninu. চব অতলাক কৈ দিব ইয়াক কত নিবিব মৰিলা তুমি খুচকাহি গৈ থাকা অচিনাকি জেগা এটা so you have to directly treat and you have to directly give a due respect which you also want আজি যদি তোমাকো যদি কোনোবাই এনেকৈ ডাইৰেক্টলি পইণ্ট আউট কৰি পেলাই তইকে কয় so obviously you will feel that no I am not in a good this is not a good way to talk to someone so at least the man should be far more humble with respect to okay মই ইয়াৰ পৰা আহিছোঁ সেইটো বুলি সি এনেকৈ ক'ব নেকি মোকতো ভালকৈও ক'ব পাৰিলে so this are the way even বহুত জেগাত আমি বড়োলেণ্ডত কিছুমান জেগাত দেখোঁ বহুত মানুহে even people there okay তাহাঁতৰ because they are going with a different dialect so বহুত জেগাত তাহাঁতে আপুনিক নোলায় তাহাঁতে আমাৰো সোনকালে ওলাই যাব আপুনি বহুত জেগাত নোলায় এই স্যাৰ তই এইটো ছাৰো মাতিব আৰু তয়ো মাতিব এই স্যাৰ তই এইটো কৰিব নালাগিছিল তই এইটো নকৰাহেঁতেন ভাল আছিল তো তাহাঁতে কথাবিলাক অকণ তেনেকৈ ক'ব so the point of time তুমি যদি কোৱা ছাৰ মাতি পেলাই তই মাতিলি হাউ ডেয়াৰ ইউ তেতিয়া তাৰ মাথাটো ঘূৰি যাব এইটোৱে বেছি কৰে অলপ যা ভালকৈ কামেই নকৰোঁ so you have to understand the very feeling of that respective community so সেইবিলাক বস্তু আমি কেনেকৈ গম পাম when we are studying religiously our very state topic. আমি যে স্টেটখনৰ জিঅ'গ্ৰাফি জানো আমি যে স্টেটখনৰ ইকনমিক্স জানো আমি যে স্টেটখনৰ ডেমোগ্ৰাফি জানো আমি যদি ষ্টেটখনৰ ট্ৰাইবেল পিপলছ অফ ষ্টেট জানো, আমি যদি ষ্টেটখনৰ ইণ্ডিজিনিয়াছ পিপলৰ কথা জানো, then obviously we can respect all this type of people. And once you tend to respect this type of people, you will also get a reverse respect from them. Because Newton's third law, কি আছিলে? Every force has a opposite and equal reaction. Okay? So সেইটো বস্তু সবৰে বহুত important. Okay? মই এটা brief কলো, okay, just to make you more enthusiasm to read this particular topic. Okay? Hope everybody agreed with me. কোনোবাৰ disagree হয় যদি মোক কৈ দিয়া যে কিহৰ কাৰণে disagree. Okay, Angana, that's the problem. In our homeland, we differentiate people regarding caste community, but in outside, we proudly say we are Assam. But we have even seen, Angana, I have traveled across the northern boundaries, southern boundaries, eastern boundaries, western boundaries of this very country. Even some of the people, okay, even if they are particularly a resident of Assam, and they speak something, a different dialect, for example. Okay. So, supposedly, they are from a, I will not point out a particular community, but supposedly they are not the purely Assamese speaking people. So, at this point of time, they might directly use the very benefits of this respective state. Okay. They will use everything. They will use their ration cards, they will use their Aadhaar card, where the particular address is from Assam. They will gather their studies from here. Yarpai, for example, tahate pohi khuni gol. But still, at that point of time, they will not directly say that, okay, fine, bihu yat organize hoise. For example, ekhon dangor jega, for example, Delhi. Okay. Tato directly, Delhi hok, Kolkata hok, Mumbai hok. Tato directly, enuka ekhon organizing committee no hoy. For example, this particular community organization or association. তাত কি থাকে? বেংগলোৰ যোৱা, দিল্লীত যোৱা, ডাইৰেক্টলি থাকিব আছাম এছ'চিয়েশ্যন। অ'কে, তাত স্পেচিফিকেলি নাথাকে। আমাৰ অসমত থাকিব পাৰে, বিকজ ইন আছাম উই ডাইৰেক্টলি এলাউ চাচ। ত' তাত ডাইৰেক্টলি কি থাকিব? আছাম এছ'চিয়েশ্যন। বাট তাত গৈ পেলাই যদি তুমি ষ্টাডি মাৰি থাকা কি আছাম এছ'চিয়েশ্যন কিয় দিছে এখন? আমিতো আছামিজ নহয়। আছাম মানে কি? আছামিজ আপোনালোকে অসমীয়াত কিয় লিখিছে? আমাৰ ভাষাটো লিখক। চ' এট দেট পইণ্ট অফ টাইম দিছ মে ক্ৰিয়েট চাম ফৰ্ম অফ কনফ্লিক্ট। Okay, and this may lead to some form of disintegration within the state piece. And বাহিৰৰ মানুহবিলাকৰ টেন্ডেন্সিটো কি থাকে? যে ইহঁতৰ নিজৰ ভিতৰতে ইউনিটি নাই। So why to allow such group to directly occur in this very respective state of us? কালি যদি ইহঁত মেজৰিটি আহি যায়, তেতিয়াহ'লে আমাৰ বিজনেছবোৰ খাব। So all this type of negative thoughts will directly happen. But if people, it's not something, Assamese cannot be directly interpreted as a particular language of a particular community. It could be interpreted. Assamese kakuli ko age. The people who are indigenously residing in the state of Assam are known as Assamese. So that's the proper definition. If this thing directly makes understand every people who is from this very state, so when they have a busy pipe, then they would have directly say themselves as proudly as Assam. But বহুতে এই বস্তুটো বুজি নাপায়। And therefore, even if they go outside Assam, they flaunt there that we are not Assam. We are from the particular state, from this particular state of Assam, and we belong to this particular community. And therefore, we speak a different dialect. So, we are not considered as an Assamese, we are considered this. So, at that point of time, your image of being an Assamese is directly interpreted wrongly with the respective state people. সেইটো কাৰণে বহু দিনলৈ কি হৈ আছিলে? আমাৰ গোটেই নৰ্থ ইষ্টখনে হওক বা অসমখনে হওক, আজি এটলিষ্ট 10 years back, 10 years মই বহুত বেছিয়ে কৈছো, আজি 6-7 years আগৰ লগে হৈ আছিলে, but still to be precise I am just going back 10 years. 10 বছৰৰ আগতে অসমখন ক'ত বুলি ক'লে অসমখন কয় বাংলাদেশত থাকে। It's directly inside China, বহুত পাহাৰত। Okay. Assam has got only 2 hill districts. That is Karbi Anglong and Dima Hatau. Now West Karbi Anglong is dhora nai. I am directly encompassing every West Karbi Anglong ekalage thori diso aru Dima Hatau district. We have got only 2 hill districts. Baki jiman khini district ase noy, 90% of their coverage is in plain. And therefore, we directly say it as what? Brahmaputra Plains and Barak Plains. So every Assam cannot be considered as a hilly state. But since every other state encompassing Assam is a hilly state, so therefore Assam is also considered to be a hilly state. So Ohomor Manhu jodi bahirot jai, so obviously they are treated inhumanly. Why inhumanly? Because they considered that we live in forest and therefore we are jungle. Okay. Even recently, this particular guy, CSL gamer to name, Paras Gamer, I think, Paras Gamer, who is directly brought to Arunachal Pradesh because he commented something irrespective of what he should not say. Okay. So people till today has not been treated or has not been educated well about the Northeast. And this all is about the poor implementation of their project or poor implementation of the respective government which are in the center. Okay. Etia lahe lahe Ohomor eta man, Ohomor eta iজ্জত. Okay. We can see someone inside the cabinet as of now. Okay. Aziloge tenewa kenu eta hua nasile. Okay. The cabinet of iman eta important position of loa gote. We can see some form of dynamics inside Assam. We can see some form of progress inside Assam. Assam agote ki kori asile? Assam ba Northeast-te hok, but I will purely say Assam because Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Mizoram, Meghalaya, কৰ পৰা হৈছে? সবখনটো অসমে asile. But out of the various agitation, this particular states were separated. Kalipuruhir Manhu, Kalipuruhir state, that is Mizoram. Kalipuruhi, 1987 on, Kedin hoise. Hardly some around, even not 35 years. Okay. Kalipuruhi Manhu. Kalipuruhi statehood paise. Ar tahate, amak ahi pelai amar land lobo rakhe. Amak ahi pelai kobo ase, this is not your land. Who are you, bole? I am not saying that you should directly go and confront them. Ki like how you can directly, this Mizo people should be directly been boycotted. No, you should not do such. But the respective thing that how you can directly claim this particular land to be yours. People who are directly following some of the current events, they directly know that there is a particular situation of land going on between Assam and Mizoram. Assam and Mizoram clashes solely. Okay, related to some of the land areas. So this tiny state of Mizoram, this is what? This is an integral part of Assam once upon a time. So Assam Khan, without Assam, for example, probably you have heard that Meghalaya, okay, or to any other state, states Khan, Baki Jiman Jikhon, our state, 6 states in the northeast, everyone has to pass through Assam to transport or to directly do some of the marketing activities with respective to the mainland India. Agreed? So, our Ohomkhon use koriboi lagibo, Ohomor rasta use koriboi lagibo. Okay, but still they do not think such that Ohom hoy, Ohomia manu hoy, iman cruel nohoy, iman besis heri nohoy. Like they are more ki ami ki komo like in very pure Assamese, ami bahut udar monor hoy. Ohomia manu bahut udar monor hoy. Okay. Udar mane it's like very lenient form. Okay, people who does not understand udar. Okay, june janibo, june bujise. But ami bilak okon udar monor hoy. Okay. So ami bure besi ami agitation, besi market, besi violence ami beya pao. And we treat our own sisters, amar dikhon amar states ase, we treat them as equal. We treat them as equal. Because they were once a part of this respective state. Our capital in Shillong asile, which is now in Meghalaya. 1973 ami directly heri hoy. Ami shift korisu. Okay. Yes, abegi. So we are more kinda emotional. What she means, abegi. It's a type of emotional bonding we have towards this respective state, towards this respective northeastern people. আমাৰ আগত যদি কোনোবাই অকণমান ধৰি লোৱা চাৰ্ট বিলাক ফালি আহি পেলাই যদি বাইদেউ ছাৰ দাদা মাতি দিয়ে, আমি গলি যাওঁ সোনকালে। হ'ব দে কিয়নো কান্দি আছো, হ'ব দে বাদ দে, যিখিনি লাগি আছিলো তহঁতে কৰিলি আৰু হ'ব দে আমি মাফ কৰি দিম। But these people are not something like us. If today or if tomorrow ধৰি লোৱা অসমখন শিফ্ট হৈ পেলাই নাগালেণ্ডত গুচি গ'ল আৰু নাগালেণ্ডখনে অসমৰ জেগাখিনি পাই গ'ল, অ'কে, obviously it is not going to happen, but still I am making you assume. At that point of time we will suffer thoroughly. আমি কিন্তু বহুত সাফাৰ কৰিম তেতিয়া, অ'কে, বিকজ এভৰি টাইপ অফ ILT কিবা কিবি বহুত কিবা কিবি লগাই দিব, অ'কে, ইনাৰ লাইন পাৰ্মিট, কিবা তাহাঁতৰ সোমাবলৈ কিবা টেক্স লাগে, কিবা লাগে, বহুত কিবা কিবি কৰি দিব। If this is directly going on in this very time. So আমি তাহাঁতৰ যদি কিবা এটা কৰিব যাওঁ, they are more sensitive. We are under Schedule 6, we are under kiba. But we and they are particularly using what? They are particularly using our land. They are particularly using our roots. Without our roots, without Assam being open to all, everyone will suffer from hunger. Everyone will suffer from economical problems. Even you can see in the recent Meghalaya, okay, Nongpopa অকমান ক্ৰছ কৰি যোৱা তাতে মোবিল চবিল পেলাই থৈ দিয়ে, okay, তাতে বৰষুণ দিয়ে থাকে, তো গাড়ীবিলাক বহুত স্লিপ হয়, so স্লিপ কৰি পেলাই ওচৰৰ খালত পৰে, and they demand some money out of it, and even the Meghalaya police was supporting such type of local people. Probably you have heard so. Nongpo toll gate to cross কৰি অলপ আগত যোৱা, তাত অকমান পাহাৰ আছে, এইখিনি জেগাত টাৰ্নিং বিলাক আছে, তো তাতে এইবিলাক কৰি থৈ দিয়ে, okay. And in a similar way, because I have been to Kachar, okay, Kacharar jiblak night super chole, so night super bilak through Meghalaya hoi jay, okay, Meghalaya hoi pelai directly go pelai Kachar pai jay. So at a point of time we will get some of these 3 to 4 checkpoints. Meghalaya through je goi asa 3 ta 4 ta tumi checkpoints paba in Meghalaya when you are going through the night super. Even if they know that this is a night super, this is from Assam, no doubt they are checking the illegal infiltrants, okay, tahat bahut conscious hai, but with respect, if mu hetu apotti nai je tahate checking kore, tahate koro, I have no issue, but why not our Assam administration is directly making such type of things associated? Tahator kurise, sorry, amar kurise, amar 3 bar 4 bar checking hoy, but amar jikita bus বা তাহাঁতৰ এইখিনি মেঘালয় বাছখিনি আমাৰ অসমত আহে, অ'কে, so এতিয়া ফৰ এক্সাম্পল মেঘালয়ৰ পৰা শ্বিলঙৰ পৰা গোৱালপাৰা যোৱা বাছো আছে, শ্বিলঙৰ পৰা ধুবুৰী যোৱা বাছো আছে, শ্বিলঙৰ পৰা আলিপুৰদুৱাৰ যোৱা বাছো আছে, so in that due scenario তাহাঁতৰ বাছবিলাক আমাৰ তাত চেকিং নহয়, তাহাঁতে যে ৰাতিপুৱা, because we know, because night super কিয় obviously তোমাৰ ৰাতি আহে, and for example তাৰ পৰা শিলচৰ কাছাৰ ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্টৰ শিলচৰৰ পৰা বাছখন কেইটা বজাত আহে, for example 7:30 দিলে, তো ৰাতিপুৱা ইয়াত আহি পেলাই 5:00-6:00 গুৱাহাটী পাই যায়, ফৰ এক্সাম্পল, অ'কে, so near about 12 hours মান লাগে, মই যে ৰাফলি স্কেচ কৰিছোঁ, in this very 12 hours some around 7 to 8 hours you spend in Meghalaya, okay, so in this 7 to 8 hours you will be going through some of these 3 to 4 checkpoints, so ৰাতি মানে তুমি হেতু ৰাস্তাত আহা মানে তোমাৰ মানে টোপনি নাই আৰু একদম টৰ্চ মাৰি চাব, মাস্ক থাকিলে মাস্কখন খুল, টৰ্চ মাৰি চকুকেইটা চাওঁ, অ'কে, আইলাইনাৰ লগাইছন নাই, লিপষ্টিক লগাইছন নাই, অ'কে, কোনোবাই যদি কিবা আছে যদি চাওঁ কি লৈ আছ, মুখৰ ভিতৰত ফুলটো লৈ অহা নাই, everything they will check thoroughly, but why not these people are checked inside Assam? You can see various vehicles coming in from Meghalaya directly from Assam. Recently during the COVID times you can see, COVID times also, if you have particularly visitor or particularly know, I don't know, okay, মই গৈছো বহুত বাৰ মেঘালয়, so মই জানো, after going or after just before this Nongpo checkpost you can see there is a COVID center, তাতে তুমি COVID negative certificate দেখাব লাগে, or else you have to be very much checked, তুমি তাতে তোমাৰ swab দিব লাগিব, okay, red দিব লাগিব, RT-PCR দিব লাগিব, everything you directly you have to register in their portal, বহুত দিগদাৰি কৰি দিছিল অকণ মাজতে, then only you could have entered this very Meghalaya state. But if I directly go with the vice versa, মই যদি কোন তাহাঁতৰ ফালৰ পৰা মানুহখিনি আহক আমাৰ তাত, have you anyway or have you in your consign, মই বাৰু মিছাই কৈ আছো, but in your consign, did you ever seen any checkposts or any COVID centers if these people are directly entering into Assam? No. There is not a single checkpost, there is not a single COVID center if these people are directly entering into Assam. And therefore we have got what? Since our Kamrup Metro, আমি কি হয়? আমি উদার মনৰ বহুত. Okay? We are very much উদার. চলো আমাৰ নিজৰে হয়, নিজৰে ষ্টেট আছিলে, নিজৰে চিটি আছিলে, নিজৰে মানুহ হয়, আহিছে আৰু আমি বহুত উদাৰ মনৰ. And therefore, mingled up with all such things, Assam could not prosper well in the recent years. অসমে উন্নতি এটো কাৰণে কৰিব নোৱাৰিলে. Okay? আৰু তাৰ ওপৰত টুটু ইনফিল্ট্ৰেশ্যন, ইলিগেল ইনফিল্ট্ৰেশ্যনটো আছে, which is coming from the near country of Bangladesh. Okay? সেইখিনিতো মই নকওঁ. সেইখিনিতো ইলিগেল ইনফিল্ট্ৰেশ্যনটো ডে এণ্ড নাইট হৈয়ে থাকে. But over here only, we are not directly people from all the other northeastern states coming over here to gain to various education. Guwahati, you can find a lakh number of people coming from the northeastern states, be it Arunachal, Manipur, Nagaland. তাহাঁতৰ কাৰণে গুৱাহাটীত পঢ়িয়া মানে ক'ত পঢ়িয়া দিল্লীত পঢ়িয়া. আমি যেনেকৈ গুৱাহাটী মানুহে গৈ পেলাই দিল্লীত পঢ়িবলৈ যাওঁ, বেংগালুৰুত পঢ়িবলৈ যাওঁ, চেন্নাইত পঢ়িবলৈ যাওঁ, মুম্বাইত পঢ়িবলৈ যাওঁ. তো তাহাঁতৰ কাৰণে গুৱাহাটীত পঢ়া মানে ইটছ লাইক ষ্টাডিং ইন দিল্লী, ষ্টাডিং ইন বেংগালুৰু, ষ্টাডিং ইন সাম আদাৰ মেট্ৰপলিটেন চিটি. আমাৰ গুৱাহাটী ইউনিভাৰ্চিটি চাৰ্টিফিকেটখন তাহাঁতৰ বহুত মেটাৰ কৰে. So therefore, Assam, though is encompassed with all such type of utilities, we can see that still our state of Assam is very consignedly going with a step-by-step progress. Because we know, even if we link Assam or to the very northeast, আমি যদি northeast উন্নতি কৰিব লাগে, আমি যদি northeast to the very Southeast Asian nation, that is ASEAN, ASEAN nations, that is a group of 10 countries. We share a common boundary with a respective country of whom? With a respective country of Myanmar. আমি Myanmar লগত এখন এটা border share কৰো. And therefore we could see that because of this very border, we could well connect our respective country of India through the northeast to this very Southeast Asian nation. And we could improve the trade process even up to Laos, even up to Vietnam, because we have got a very land. তাৰ কাৰণে কি কৰি আছিলে? Trilateral national highway. Okay? But হেতু আমাৰ because what is India? Assam, to be very precise, আমি কি কম? Assam is a country of লাহে লাহে. Okay? আমি লাহে লাহে আগবাঢ়ো. আমাৰ কোনো ইচ্ছা নাই দৌৰা দৌৰিকে আগবাঢ়িবলৈ. ঠিক আছে? আমি লাহে লাহে আগবাঢ়ো. আজি প্ৰগ্ৰেছটো আমি আজি জাষ্ট প্লেনটো বনাম. আজিৰ পৰা 10 বছৰৰ পিছত আমি জাষ্ট কি কৰিম? আমি ফাউণ্ডেশ্যনটো বনাম. তাৰ 10 বছৰৰ পিছত আমি ডাইৰেক্টলি ৰিজাল্ট দিম. মানে আমি 20 years মান মিনিমাম লগাই দিম. Because Assam is a country of লাহে লাহে. And since this Assam, which is a state of a country of India, so মই এইটো ডাইৰেক্টলি এখন ট্ৰান্সলেট কৰি দিওঁ যে India is also a country of क्या? ধীৰে ধীৰে. Okay? So Assam is a country, Assam is a state of lahe lahe, and India is a country of dheere dheere. So it's like dheere dheere. This is a particular song. Okay, dheere dheere, mere dil mein aana, and all these things. So ami lahe lahe jao sob bostu. So at this point of time, when you are directly progressing in a very slow manner, obviously, why the other countries will cooperate you on? Tomar logot kono cooperate na kore. And because of the slow progress of our country, of our state, China just got ahead of us from around 20 years. China bhalke nijor government set up korisil 1948 after independence. But look at China, where it is now. China is some around 20 years ahead of us. Okay, ঠিক আছে 20 নকওঁ, অলপ নিজৰো সেন্টিমেন্টাল অকমান নিজৰো গাত লাগি যায় ন 20 years. ঠিক আছে মই কওঁ চাইনা ইজ এট লিষ্ট 10 to 15 years ahead of us. আমাৰ তাত কেইখন এয়াৰক্ৰাফ্ট কেৰিয়াৰ আছে? এখন। ইখন আহোঁতে আহোঁতে আৰু কমচে কম 5-6 বছৰ লাগিব। চাইনা তাত অলৰেডি 2-3খন হৈ গ'ল। which is directly coming in the main media. Tahator aru kiman ase hidden because China never releases their official report publicly. Okay, so ami kobo paru that anedo China ko we are super ready. Our very army, our very air force, our very navy is super ready to directly counter China. We have got Agni 5 missiles. We have got this, we have got that, we have got Falana. But still, deep inside my heart, people who does not know, I'm not telling about such people, people who knows what's the capability of India. I know that well because I have gone through this very topic of internal security. Okay, I know the real position of India. So India, China का कुछ उखाड़ देता है, to be very much clear. Okay, to rise the nationalism. যদি আমি এইবিলাক কৈ নথওঁ, গভৰ্ণমেণ্টে যদি এইবিলাক কৈ নথয় যে লাইক উই আৰ ডাইৰেক্টলি এজ টু এজ উইথ চাইনা, চাইনা যদি আজি আহে আমাৰ এইফালে যাব, আমাৰ ডাইৰেক্টকৈ মাৰি আহিব. We have got manpower. We have got a ready manpower. But we are less equipped with the systems and equipment that we want to counter China. আমাৰ তাত ফাইটাৰ জেট কেইখন আছে? 40, 45. China তাত 400 আছে. Now tell me. And কিছুমান ফাইটাৰ জেট আমাৰ কি? The flying coffin. Okay, where thousands and thousands of soldiers are dying from the day it has been commenced. Till the date, from the date it has been commenced in the Indian Air Force, some hundreds and thousands of pilots have died while directly going off with this type of jet. So therefore, we need to speed up if we want to counter and we want to bring a superpower in this very region of Asia. Okay, and this is very important when the state just jot out their differences and think about their own country first. If this country first policy comes in the very first perspective, then we as a country will surely prosper. Okay, but our state bilage ki kori ase? Our state bilage ki kori ase? Just dividing everything. Dividing based on community, dividing based on caste, dividing based on religion, dividing based on administrative convenience. Everywhere, this division does occur. And because of this division that is directly occurring, we as a country could not prosper well. Even to say Bharat Mata Ki Jai, even to say Vande Mataram, we need to approach people. Even if the national anthem is being sung, we need to approach people ki kindly stand up. This is your national anthem. So this is the condition of our country. We have got a huge number of human rights. Kiba kibi ahi jabo. Democratic rights ahi bo. Kiba kibi kotha kobo. And in that very thing, we as a country is directly failing. Okay. But in the other sense, if I directly go, that how we as a country are still united. We are a country are still united because people are more concerned about their particular country well. Okay, only these politicians, only these political peoples, only this political interference has made this country degraded. But if we directly combine well, then we can see that there are no differences between them and us, between the other communities. They are also humans, we are also humans. They are also Homo sapiens, we are also Homo sapiens. For example, আমিও হাতখন এনেকে দিয়ে কৰো. For example, তাহাঁতে ধৰিলে হাতখন এনেকে দিয়ে কৰিলে. But the thing is what? They are doing the same thing that you are also only doing. So তোমালোকে তাহাঁতক কিয় প্ৰস্পেৰ কৰিবলৈ, তাহাঁতক কিয় ডাইৰেক্টলি ফোকাস কৰিবলৈ যাও কি লাইক you should do like this only, you should not do like this. They are merging. তাহাঁতৰ ট্ৰেডিশন হয় কৰিছে তেনেকে. So who are you to directly compel the other people to do something like this? Okay, so because of some type of genuine citizens of this country, we as a country are still integrated out of it. Okay, these are the very brief. Okay, yeah, মই just at a local situation of that why we as a state are not prospering well because of all the type of differences that we have. Okay, if I directly come with respective to the Assam geography. Okay, so মই ইয়াত geography start কৰোঁ. Okay, I'll just on my screen. Just a second. Okay, see. If I directly go with the process of Assam geography, see, the broad physical features and the various divisions of Assam could be directly be integrated under location of Assam, could be going with the general boundary, okay, could be going with the area, geological structure, okay, then river system, soil, okay. So this is what? These are the physical features associated with this respective state of Assam. Physical features. First, I will go to the location. Okay, location. When I say Assam, Assam is something going to be like this. Okay, it's a T-shaped. It's a T-type of oil, like T-shaped. So Assam is bounded by a latitude of 24.58 degree north and 27.58 degree north. It is what? It is latitude. And what will be the longitude? Longitude is 89.42 degree east and 96.1 degree east. This is what? This is the present latitude longitude is something like this. If I consider this to be a globe, okay, a globe to ভিতৰত এই অসমখন আছে, so it is something latitude and longitude. So এটো আৰু এটো মিলি longitude and latitude মিলি for example আসামখন এইখিনিত আছে, গ্লোবৰ আসামখন এইখিনিত আছে. So specific to this very area, মই কিমান longitude আৰু কিমান latitude mapখনত চাম, this is that is 24.58 degree north and 27.58 degree north latitude and 89.42 degree east and 96.1 degree east longitude. Okay, so this is specific or specific location with respect to the latitude and the longitude or the geographical location of this state of Assam. Okay. Here, if I directly say that Assam may be divided broadly into two river valleys and a region of hills and plateaus. Two river valleys to be very much prominent. We have got Brahmaputra and another is the Barak. Okay. So the Brahmaputra valley is watered by the Brahmaputra river throughout its length from Sadia in the northeast to Dhuburi in the west. If I directly interpret this particular map, supposedly if I directly interpret this particular map of Assam, so the river Brahmaputra flows something like, okay, it is directly coming on from this area of Tibet. Okay, Namchat Barwad U-turn loy pila Akhomodi kumai, Arunachal eri kumai pila Akhoma hai. Okay, so this valley, okay, which is directly coinciding the very state of Assam, so ekdam majodi flow kore. So therefore, this is the north bank of Assam. North bank mane ki to the upper side, because we know the very directions to call it north, south, east, west. So directly river for example if I U-turn loy ahi eneka hai, eneka pore. So obviously, the very adjoining things above the Valley River is directly known as the North Bank. North Bank ko koi aru keteba etuk koi left bank. And what is the other region? It is known as the South Bank. Etuk koi South Bank. Or it would be called as South. Okay. So at this point of time, we have seen that the Brahmaputra Valley, which is watered by the Brahmaputra River throughout its length from Sadia in the northeast to Dhubri in the west. Okay. So, here for example, Kyogana northeast question, because if this is north, this is west, we can see this is purely north. So, it's directly going from Sadia in the northeast to Dhubri in the west, and by its tributary on both the sides of its bank. What are the banks? One is the northern bank, one is the southern bank. Mohim. We have to also know what are the north bank tributaries, what are the south bank tributaries. We also got to know. Okay, but it's a brief here. With respect to the Barak Valley, okay, with respect to the Barak Valley, it is mainly watered by the Barak River and its various tributaries. And this Barak Valley River is directly flowing through the hilly tracts of the Karbi Plateau and the North Kachar Hills. এতিয়া ডিমা হাছাও বুলি ক'লে ডিমা হাছাও যোনটো আমাৰ ডিস্ট্ৰিক্ট হয়, which is an integral part of Assam, the people being an integral resident of the state of Assam. This very Dima Hasao is directly in the hill of N, not Kachar Hills. Okay, it is directly to the north of Kachar district. Okay, so the valley, that is the Barak Valley, is directly considering the three districts as of now, that is the Kachar, Hailakandi and Karimganj. Okay, the Kachar, the Barak Valley is directly considering because these are the plain districts. Okay, and North Kachar district or the North Kachar Hills or the Dima Hasao district is directly coming under the hill districts of this particular state of Assam. Okay, so যদি মই এই নৰ্থ বেংক আৰু সাউথ বেংক যদি মই এটুক অসমীয়াত অনুবাদ কৰিবলৈ যাওঁ, okay, people অনুবাদ is like translation. Okay, মই কেতিয়াবা অলপ বেছি আসাম স্পেচিফিক হৈ যাওঁ, so if you don't understand, do ask me. Okay, but I have to say, or else you will not feel the very emotions with respect to this very state subject. Okay, so if I directly have to go with the অনুবাদ of what, the North Bank and the South Bank. So North Bank to আমি আৰু এটা নামে দি কওঁ, which is directly known as উত্তৰ পাৰ or উত্তৰ কোলা, উত্তৰ পাৰ or উত্তৰ কোলা, আৰু সাউথক আমি কি কওঁ, দক্ষিণ পাৰ or দক্ষিণ কোলা. Okay, this is very important because why it is important, you know, এনেকুৱা নহয় কি তোমালোকক সুধিব translation, what is for example, what is north par is called as uttar par সেইবিলাক নুসুধে, তোমালোকক directly question to দিব যে which are the uttar par or uttar kula tributaries of the river Brahmaputra. If you don't know this particular word, then you may directly, even if you know that this is North Bank of tributaries gutta mukhasta rasta mari plat korita, even if you know all the tributaries of the northern bank, still you will fail to understand what is Uttar Kula and you will directly mark the option incorrect. So therefore all these things are very very important. मैं जितनी कोई जाऊँ, try to note it down. Okay, मैं बहुत important and I will be directly going very much relevant. मैं एकदम relevant कर जाऊँ, मैं अनाप शनाप यार बुक बोले ना, I will be going relevant and you will be acquiring very much relevant. And in the very end of the class, you must have to say that yes, sir, we have learned something very much of approachable, very much of systematic and to the point. Okay, I want such type of thing. You should be very much of technical with respect to your study. গোটেই কিতাপখনটো সবে পঢ়ি যাব পাৰে, but তাৰ পৰা important পঢ়াটো বহুত ডাঙৰ. Okay, so therefore we have to be very much technical. Okay, আমি technical কেনেকৈ হ'ব? Okay, so this is part of. इसके बाद we can see that this very Uttar Par or Dakhin Par or the very Brahmaputra plain consider some of the river islands. Okay, and there are two river islands. One is the largest and one is the smallest, both under this very state of Assam. The largest one, Majuli, obviously, and the smallest one is Oman also. Okay, the river of Brahmaputra. Okay, the length of the Brahmaputra river within Assam. I am telling within Assam. If I am directly considering, this is the map of Assam. If the river of Brahmaputra is considered this, I am not considering this. I am not considering this. I am only considering this portion. The length of the Brahmaputra river within Assam is around 720 kilometers. This is very, 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 very important. Okay, mark it red marker circle, red pencil le buri pakete. Okay, ekdom underline kori jaba bhalo. Whichever I say something like this. আমি general boundaries আমি কেটেবা directly কেটেবা কি করে directly খুঁজি যে that what is the total length of the river of Brahmaputra. So that is the total length of river of Brahmaputra over there. Then it is not conjoining that আমি directly India খুঁজি আছে. You have to be very much specific that what is the total length of the river of Brahmaputra inside India. Then তোমালোকৰ a 722 নহয়. Then it will be somewhere around 918 kilometers. But if it is purely asked that what is the total length of the river of Brahmaputra inside Assam, then you have to be very much specific, that is 720 kilometers. And then what is the average width of this river Brahmaputra? Average width মানে কি মান? For example, if this is Assam over here, width মানে কি? river খন গৈ আছে এই distance টো কিমান? A distance. That's the width. Someone say something, please. Hello? Please repeat.
প্রস্থ বলে কৈছিল স্যার
কি কি
মই উইথটো দিছিল
width to কি I am not getting. Please reply in message. और बहल मैं কি কলো मैं तो অসমীয়াত কোৱাই নাই এইটো বস্তু লাইক মই কি কৈছো লাইক width is the I have diagrammatically represented see over here see I have diagrammatically represented that during this whole course of time অসমৰ ভিতৰতে যিমানখিনি তুমি ফ্লো কৰি আছে এইটোক কয় width. This is the thing. You are very much correct that it is directly said in Assamese as bohol. Okay, mani to it, but I am directly not referring to it. I am saying that the very width throughout the state of Assam, average width. Okay, এনেকুৱা নহয় কি সব জায়গাতে 8 to 10 kilometers width হয়, এইটো average width হয়. If the question is directly asked to yourself in your very question in your very exam, that what is the average width of the river Brahmaputra inside Assam, then you have to tick on 8 to 10 kilometers. But you should not consider this to be, or the river Brahmaputra on sub jagate 8 to 10 kilometers bohol nahan. In some areas it is even 2 kilometers. I am saying in some areas it is even 2 kilometers. But if I see the whole length of this river of Brahmaputra from Sadia to Dhubri, you can consider that the average width is around 8 to 10 kilometers. Okay, even Guwahati ahiye tumalokor bahut kom hoy jay 2 to 3 kilometers of bhitor ahi jay Guwahati ahiye Guwahati dita Brahmaputra kon hoy. So therefore the average width is around 8 to 10 kilometers. And yes, into bohol hoy Brahmaputra river khona if I directly stay or if I directly stand in the middle and directly goes with the very width, we will directly get this is the average width of the total river inside Assam. Okay, now if I directly go with the next thing, that is the general bound. Okay, let me just a second. Okay. You can see over here. See, this over here you can see this is very much of thin line. Okay, ইয়াতে ধৰি লোৱা যে 2 to 3 kilometers হয়, এইখিনিত আহি পেলাই width টো বাঢ়ি যায়। Okay, so it is not, you can consider that it is thoroughly the same width throughout the very land of Assam. এইখিনিত আহি পেলাই ধুবুৰীৰ ওচৰত width টো আকৌ বাঢ়ি যায়। Okay, but এইখিনি জেগাত কামৰূপৰ ওচৰত যোনখিনি আমাৰ গুৱাহাটী পৰে, okay, গুৱাহাটীত চোৱাচোন width টো নাই। That's why I have said it is around 2 to 3 kilometers. Okay, কোনোবা জেগাত তো 2 কিলোমিটাৰলৈকে আহি যায়। Okay, even you can see in the very length of this very bridge, Saraighat bridge one, hardly around 1.5 kilometers. So you width to iman খিনিলে কমি যায়, দেখিছা সেইকাৰণে কিমান একদম কম হয়। Okay, so therefore the width varies, but if you directly consider from here to here, the average width is around 8 to 10 kilometers, which should be a very correct option. Okay, I will come back to this very map, don't worry. Okay, now if I go to the general boundary, okay, see, Assam is situated, we all know that Assam is situated in the northeastern part of India, and it is bounded by 2 foreign countries and 7 Indian states. Okay, this must be also be remembered. As you know, basic Assam is situated in the northeastern part of India. It is bounded by 2 foreign countries. Which are the 2 foreign countries? Bhutan and Bangladesh. Okay, and what are the other states that is bound with? It bounds with Arunachal, it bounds with Nagaland, it bounds with Manipur, it bounds with Tripura, it bounds with Mizoram, it bounds with Meghalaya, and it bounds with West Bengal. So we have got how many states? We have got 7 states which is directly getting a general boundary with respect to the state of Assam. Okay, so the southern boundary is covered by whom? The southern boundary is covered by southern, if I directly go with the north, south, east, west. So the southern boundary is covered by whom? It is covered by Mizoram and Meghalaya. Okay. The eastern boundary is covered by whom? Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, and Manipur. To the west, we could directly consider it as West Bengal and even Tripura. Okay. Tripura does seem to come in the southern belt or to the southern boundary, but don't get confused. With respect to the state of Assam, Tripura comes in the very west boundary. আমি consider কৰো ক'ত? West Bengal, Bangladesh and Tripura is to the western part or to the western boundary of the very state of Assam. Okay, to the east we have what? Arunachal, Nagaland and Manipur. To the south we have Mizoram and Meghalaya, and to the west we have West Bengal, Bangladesh and Tripura. Okay, also in the very north, you can consider in the very north we have got Bhutan and some portions of Arunachal Pradesh. This is north. Okay, so Arunachal Pradesh is directly coming under northern portion also, and also it's coming under to the eastern portion. Okay, because if I directly go with the very map of Assam, just a second, if there is some map which directly shows some good boundaries. Okay, see, if I directly consider this to be a map of, let me edit this. See, if I directly consider this very map of Assam, okay, so Assam is directly going to this area and it is directly going something like this. Okay, Assam, sorry, okay, Assam and so yape jikhini area ase, Arunachal Pradesh is somewhere over here. Okay, Arunachal Pradesh is somewhere over here. So obviously it is also encompassing the Assam northern area and also encompassing the Assam eastern area. So therefore Arunachal Pradesh is also considered among the northern boundary as well as the eastern boundary. So directly don't get confused with respect to. Okay, now, so these are the north, south, east and west boundaries. Okay, now if I directly come with the international boundary line, The international boundary line of the state lies in three sectors. Please do note, these are very, very, very important. The international boundary line directly lies in three sectors. One is the Dhuburi people, please reply. What is the length of Assam Arunachal? I have made you write. There's 4 people I'm asking. And what is the very length of Assam Meghalaya? So which one is bigger? Or should I have to teach you maths over here? Please try to be very much sincere. I am telling you. This is the first day and therefore I am leaving you. Or else you have to jot me down. Aji first day nokoru moi. Okay. Next time, if after saying repeatedly, I have made you so crystal clear. Please, I am asking you everyone. Is it difficult to follow my command which I am directly saying over here or which I am delivering from here? Is it not audible? Is it not visible? What is the thing that is very much associated? Moi bahut lahe lahe goi asu aji. And this is a very simple concept. Ekdam basic static ekwe poha nai jala ami asamot. So people try to be sincere or else aji jodi tumar eto second third class holten nohoy, I would have taken you right 50 times and just replied back to me. Or else I would have kicked out from this very class. Moi nije ulai gusi goloten. That no, I am not directly bordering this particular class. As a first day first class karne baki la. I have said I am very much strict with the studies. I am very much disciplined person. Ekdom dekha dekhi bostu eta tumalke bhul nokoriba. This is the warning. Just take it as a warning. Tumalke beya pua bhal pua, I am not bothered. Muk bhal pa eku labh nai. Okay? APSC bhal kora, APSC bhal pua. Muk tumalke hazar gali dia. Kotha nai. I will accept it. Okay? I will directly accept it. But I want you to prosper. Jodi aji moi etu question nukhudilu eten. Just I play with even the psychology of yours. Aji jodi moi etu question nukhudilu eten. Tumalokor monot ei 4টা মানুহে don't think that আমি পিছত পঢ়ি দিলো eten, পঢ়ি থাকে আমি থাকে examত আমি থাকে শুদ্ধটো মাৰি পাই যেতেন. No. Your subconscious mind at that point of time will confuse you between Arunachal and Meghalaya. You don't know that thing. I am quite an experienced person and therefore I am telling you. Or সেই টাইমত because সেই টাইমত এইবিলাক সৰু সুৰা বস্তু তুমি ৰিভিজন কৰিব পাহৰিব পাৰা কাৰণ বহুত ডাঙৰ ডাঙৰ বস্তু থাকে আৰ্টিকলছ থাকে কিবা কিবি থাকে কাৰেণ্ট এফেয়াৰ্ছ থাকে so at that point of time you may directly tend to forget so হেতু কাৰণে মই ক্লাছতে সব ক্লিয়াৰ কৰি যাম ক্লাছ হৈছে ক্লাছৰ টপিকটো মই আজি কৰিছো এই টপিকটো তোমালোকে যেন আৰু কেতিয়াও নাপাহৰা I directly goes with such আৰু তাৰ কাৰণে মই অকমান ধমকি দিব লাগিব তাৰ কাৰণে মই অকমান গালি দিব লাগিব okay so if you are minding my commands over here if you are directly thinking that sir okman besi aggressive hoye jete yes I am tending to be aggressive just for the betterment of yours it's not for the betterment of mine it's for the betterment of yours ya jodi moi aggressiveness dekhao na hoy if I am the captain over here I am the leader over here moi jodi eta jangot if I am the commander of that particular battalion moi jodi josh na dekhao so how the people who are beside me they will feel motivated as the Captain Bikram Batra Captain Manoj Pandey of the LOC Kargil heroes tahate jodi specific dynamic leadership mere khale hete because of all such type or sacrifices of such type of officers we have attained the Kargil peak tahate jodi kole tane mojo 23 bochor 22 bochor hoise kiono agot jao kiono mori thaku jekita buda hoy tahat jao jodi ami hetu tahate bhabile aten then we would have lost the very part. So I cannot afford to make you lose this very battle. This examinations are a battlefield of it. And you are a particular warrior. So therefore, please mind my words carefully. Please do follow my words carefully. And please do regularly go. Moi kane kono hoy, mo khudi dim. Aru ye khudute gom pai jao kun attentive, kun insincere, who is not disciplined. I would know well. Okay? So therefore, Prachurya, Pallab, Bikram. Okay? And next time, I will so please try to be sincere. Okay? Next time, I don't want the mistakes from you all. Jetia dorkar poribo, I will appreciate like hell. And jetia criticize koribo lage, you will feel shamed that why I have attended this very class. Okay. So hetu karone, please be sincere, you will shine very high. Okay. So with respect to this very thing, is everyone clear? These 4 people, 4 or 5 people. Okay. Taken in your mind what I have said you. Okay. I am here to give you a good part. Okay. So please don't bitter me for such. Anyway, see, I have told you that we have 2 boundaries, that is Arunachal and Meghalaya, from where we can see that the longest boundary that Assam shares with the respective interstate boundary is the Meghalaya. Okay, and the second most, or the second largest, or the second longest is with Arunachal. Okay, so we have directly clarified this very thing. Which is the very state? Next question. Everyone can understand. Answer. Which is the very state through which, or which is the very state through which Assam shares the boundary for connecting itself to the mainland India? Which is the very state to which Assam shares its boundary to directly connect it with the mainland India? Yes, you are very much correct. It is West Bengal. And what is the boundary length of West Bengal? It is divided into 2 states, 48 and 80 kilometers. And the overall is what? 128 kilometers. Understood? Okay. Now if I go to the next one, which is the international boundary? Or if I directly say like, okay, fine. Which region or which sector of the Indo-Bangla border is the longest? Which sector of the Indo-Bangla border is the longest? Yes, it's KCS. Okay, KCS. It's Karimganj, Kachar, Sylhet. Okay, done? Okay. Just a second. Okay, next. Which is the country to which Assam shares the longest international boundary line? Is it Bhutan or Bangladesh? Is it Bhutan or Bangladesh? Yes, it is Bangladesh. Okay, and it is roughly around 363 kilometers. Just make it in mind. Okay, 363 kilometers, because with Bhutan we share around 269 kilometers. Okay. Okay. Hello, get about the next time. Okay. Now, if I come to the area, okay. See. After the creation of all the states with respect to this northeast, the Assam what we see as of now has a present area of 78,438 kilometers square. Very, very, very important data. Okay, as of now, after the very bifurcation. Okay, before bifurcation, 1971 or census mate, amada rasila 99,610 kilometers square. But after the bifurcation, with respect to Meghalaya, with respect to, yes, Meghalaya, then Mizoram, okay, we have got 78,438 kilometers as of now. That is the present state of Assam. Okay, and this present state of Assam, supposedly if I directly consider, if this is particularly India over here, okay, Okay, this is whole northeast over here. Okay, so Assam is somewhere over here. So एक गुट्टे इंडिया, all over India, एक ही एटा लैंड असम कवर कर थोड़ी से. So this very land is how much percentage of the total land area of the or the total geographical area of India? This is around 2.39%. Also very important number. So Assam covers around 2.39% of the total geographical area of India. Okay, fine. Okay. Now, if I come to the geographical or the geological structure. Geological structure. Assam has got three physiological divisions. One is the plateau region, other is the folded hill region, and the third is the plain. So Assam is geologically divided into how many physiographic divisions? It is divided into three physiographic divisions. One is the plateau region, one is the folded region, and other is the plain region. Okay. The plateau region, okay, the plateau region of Assam is again divided. Let me talk about this plateau region first, then we will go to the folded and the plain. The plateau region is again divided into two parts. What are the parts? One is the central Karbi plateau. See, I am not going with the very definitions of plateaus and all. Okay. You have gone with geographies and all, so I directly assume it to be that you know what is a plateau, what is a mountain, what is the geological things, what are physiographic divisions. I assuming it to be very much you know all well because you have gone through the Indian geography. Okay, so the first thing, and whoever does not knows it well, okay, you can ask me later. You have also got that option also. Okay, so no worries for all. So the first one is the central Karbi plateau. Okay. And the second one is the Hamren plateau. Okay. The first one is the central Karbi plateau and the second one is what? Hamren plateau. If I talk about the central Karbi plateau, okay, the Karbi plateau is located from the Hamren side, okay, by the Kapili and its headstone. It is also isolated from Naga Hills by the river which is directly known as the Dhonthiri river. Okay, if I have got a map, make you understand. This is the Karbi plateau. Okay, you can see over here, this is the Karbi plateau. This is the western Karbi Anglong and this is the main Karbi Anglong. Okay, there are two plateaus. So here I am telling you that the Karbi plateau is isolated from the Hamren side by the Kapili river and its headstreams. And also it's getting isolated from the Naga Hills by the Dhonthiri river and various other rivers like the Devpani, Nauzan, etc. Okay, so a jitu bhag hoise okay, a mazedi yate Kapili river from flow. So this is the particular natural divide between what? Between the western Karbi Anglong and the Karbi Anglong portion. Okay, the southernmost Karbi Hills and North Kachar Hills lies to the south of the plateau. So North Kachar Hills, Tikini Hoy, Yakura Hivo, South of the Hivo. It is idea having follow. Okay. We can see that the central Karbi plateau has got some two important geomorphic features. This is central Karbi plateau Hoy. Okay. This directly shows some around two geomorphic structures. And what are these structures? You can find there are a series of waterfalls and hot springs extending over a distance of around 80 kilometers. You can see the hot spring, which is known as the Gorom Pani hot spring. You have often heard about this particular plateau. Okay, Gorom Pani hot spring. So this Gorom Pani hot spring, and even I can name you one fall which is known as Photasil Fall waterfall. Okay, then we call Photasil Ambari, then we Photasil waterfall, which is directly in the east, and there is a particular waterfall which is in the west, which is known as Champavati. Okay, so there are two important waterfalls in this very plateau region. which is directly the Potasil waterfalls and the Champavati waterfall. And we have got an important hot spring, which is where the particular water directly evaporates all the time. That is known as Garam Pani, directly beneath from the earth. Okay. You can see that besides this particular waterfall as well as hot spring, this very plateau region has a good deposit of coal. Even we have a good deposit of limestone. Limestone deposit, I mean, put to point economical resources. Limestone deposit, kaolin deposit, feldspar deposit, okay, coal deposit, okay. And you can see that the very second geomorphic feature of this plateau is the presence of a relatively low-lying east-west corridor in its middle part. Okay, and it may be identified as the Dawaka-Dimapur corridor. Okay, if you directly go from Nagaon towards the area of Dawaka, Dimapur, people line among Nagaland, towards the eastern portion, if you directly go towards the far east, you could lie a particular fault. Direct, for example, this is the particular way. For example, if I'm directly saying, and I can Mazedi is a Diku Paisa, is a line to Rekisa, a line to, this is a wait, I'll just rub it off, and then I will go again. This is the particular railway line which you directly go up. Okay, a railway line to go up, Diku Paisa, Karbi along Zai. So this is the particular shade. Mane etu master Mazor, eta, fault of Mazor, eta, Bata. Okay, you can see that between two rivers, there is a path. And this is a particular geomorphic fault or a geomorphic feature of this very plateau. A plateau to the eta plateau, but there is a fault, and this fault is directly eroded by whom? The Kopili River. Kopili River it will erode Kori, yes, separate Kori. And due to various types of geomorphic structures, be it earthquakes, okay, be it various types of quakes, you can see the be it various types of folding mechanisms. Okay, Ekon plate or separate हो गए So तार कारण एक fault हुआ ही है. एक fault हुआ कारण की हो? We could make a particular way through this very fault, and this directly fault is identified as Dawaka-Dimapur corridor. Okay, and therefore this particular fault divides the plateau into two unequal halves. Why unequal? You can see this is a very huge portion and this is a very tiny portion with compared to this very region. So therefore, it divides this plateau, that is the Karbi plateau or the central Karbi plateau, into two unequal halves. Okay. If it directly comes to the Hamren plateau, Hamren plateau, it is contagious to the Jaintia. Okay. This Hamren plateau is directly contagious to the Jaintia. It raises its height from Lanka. Okay. Lanka boli eta jagah ase Asomot. Okay. If you directly cross Dawaka, then you can get this particular area of Lanka, okay, which is directly coming under the Hojai district as of now. So it rises in height from Lanka, Jugizan boli ase, okay, Jugizan coalfield बहुत famous hai. Then Sahari foothills of Nagaon district towards the south to the Jaintia. Mane, the Hamren plateau, which is this plateau, okay, this is the plateau. It is accompanied, mane yaar to extension, it is directly going to the Jaintia hills of Meghalaya as of now. Okay. So therefore, this Hamren plateau we all know is dissected and subdued by the Kopili River, which is directly, so yaar this very block of Karbi Anglong, before the Kopili River subdued it, this was also a part of whom? The Jaintia. But after deep erosion, after deep earthquakes, when this fault was created, the central Karbi plateau got separated out from the Hamren plateau, and Hamren plateau merged with whom? It merged with the Jaintia hills, which is presently in Meghalaya. Okay? So hence we can see that the very river of Kapili divided the Karbi plateau into two unequal halves, which is the central Karbi plateau as well as the other one is the Hamren plateau. Okay, so this is directly going with the first geological structure of our state, that is the plateau region. So we consider the Karbi plateau as a plateau region which is subdued or divided into two unequal halves by the river Kapili. Okay, I will tell about the rivers and all these things when I will discuss about the river system of Assam. In the next part, we can directly go in with the folded hill range. Folded hill. Okay. See, the folded hill region of Assam is confined to the North Kachar district of Barak. Okay, which is popularly known as what? Barail Range. The folded mountain region of Assam is a part of the Patkai Hills. Okay, Patkai Hills are logo to history ase. Okay, we have got to know during the Ahom times, these people directly entered into this very state of Assam through the Patkai Hills only. Okay, so Patkai Hills are logo history pohilom. Okay, so Patkai is again a part of whom? Patkai is a part of the Great Himalayan Mountains. Okay, so the main Barail range acts as a common watershed of the Brahmaputra basin as well as the Barak basin. Okay, and also we can see that there are various peaks associated with this Barail range. Okay, at a peak which is known as the Daksipung. Okay, it is around 1866 meters. Okay, then we going with the Mahadev peak. Mahadev peak is around 1739. Okay, then we have Pokaha. Pokaha is around 1736 meters. Okay, so we have got various peaks over here in this side. Okay, in associated with this very peak, we can see that the North Kachar Hills are not inundated or subdued like the Karbi Plateau by a particular region. And these are directly made of some of the young tertiary forms. Okay, আমি যেনেকে কাৰ্বি প্লেটুক দেখিলো that Karbi Plateau is subdued by a particular river. এইটো হামলেন কৰি দিলে কাৰ্বি প্লেটু কৰি দিলে. Okay, so it is subdued by a particular river out of erosion, out of particular earthquake. Okay, this particular thing directly happens. But this particular Dima Hasao or this particular North Kachar Hill cannot be told as a subdued by some of the rivers or some of the river system of this country. It is through some of the fault systems. Okay, the fault system. So as this area is under hot and some of the humid climatic conditions, the process of weathering and erosion are very active, which led to the development of deep valley, gorges and steep slopes. Okay, the slope you can find in this North Kachar Hill is something like this. This is a very steep slope that you can find over here in North Kachar district. Suppose if this is a mountain, you have to go something like this. But rather, if you see in the Karbi Plateau or in the Hamren Plateau, you cannot find such type of steep slopes. Okay, you could find slopes, something associated like this. That is related to the Karbi Anglong Plateau. But in this particular North Kachar Hill district, you can find some of these steep slopes because all these are folded mountains. Okay, so therefore, the folded hill region is only consigning with the North Kachar, and the North Kachar Hills can be said as a part of the Great Himalayan Mountains. And how we can associate this particular hillside with the Great Himalayan Mountains? It is with respect to the Patkai Hills. So, the North Kachar Hill is a type of folded hill region. Okay. If I come to the plain, that is the third geomorphic unit of Assam. Okay. This particular plain of the state of Assam, okay, we can directly divide into what? Brahmaputra and Barak. So that one is the Brahmaputra and the Barak. The Brahmaputra plain is the largest plain among the plains of the northeastern part of India. We can see that this plain is directly extending from the Lohit near Sadia in the east to the Sankosh plain in the west. Okay, Sankosh ekon river ase, Sankosh, okay, which is directly assumed to be the last tributary of the river Brahmaputra. Okay, aru ekdom extreme to west to the extreme west. Okay, তেতিয়ালৈকে ব্ৰহ্মপুত্ৰখন বাংলাদেশত নুসুমায় তেতিয়ালৈকে দিছ ইজ দ্য ভেৰি লাৰ্জেষ্ট tributary of the river Brahmaputra. Okay, so in the very east, that is the far east, it is directly known as the Lohit River. Okay, so this is the largest plain which is extending from the Lohit plain near Sadia to the east and to the Sankosh plain in the very west. Okay, this very plain, that is the Brahmaputra plain, is at a level or at an altitude of 174 meters above sea level. যিটো ব্ৰহ্মপুত্ৰ প্লেন হয় ব্ৰহ্মপুত্ৰ যিটো আমাৰ প্লেন আছে গোটেই টোটাল প্লেনটো এটো সি লেভেলৰ পৰা কিমান ওপৰত ইট ইজ अराउंड 174 মিটাৰ okay and this 174 meter is where it is in Sadia region obviously the river flows is something like this এখন যদি মই অসম মানুহ এনেকে so river is flowing something like this so it is getting tilted এখিনি ওপৰলে গৈ আছে এনেকে এখিনি পৰা এনেকে নামি আহি আছে হেকানে অকন ঢৌটো বেছি because obviously it is directly what it is directly downstream okay this is the upstream so downstream কি হয় কাৰণে slope আছে কাৰণে আমি downstream বুলি কওঁ হেতু কাৰণে ফুটটো কোনফালে গৈ আছে the very foot মানে কি কয় the very current the current is going something like this so we know that over here in Sadia, obviously the meter above sea level will be higher as compared to Guwahati over here. Okay, Guwahati is obviously higher. So yase kiman hobo? Yase it is 174 meter that is in Sadia. Okay, so if we directly consider over here, it is around 58 meter, and if we directly consider over here, it is around 40 meter. So पर हमारे पास ulai जाए. Okay, so it is directly going with such type of mean sea level. कारण की है obviously this river will in next duration of time অকমান দেৰি পিছত ক'ত যাব বে অফ বেংগলত গৈ পেলাই পানীখিনি পেলাই দিব গৈ নিজৰ so it will directly go তললে গৈ আহি আছে so 174 পৰা 50 আহিলে 58 পৰা 40 আহিলে বাংলাদেশত আৰু তল নামে 30 মান আহি যায় 30 পৰা গৈ 0 যেতিয়া হৈ যায় লেভেলটো তেতিয়া গৈ পেলাই directly discharge their water to the Bay of Bengal. Okay, so the fertile plain is formed by around 57 tributaries to the north and 37 tributaries to the south. A river khon jikhon Brahmaputra river ahi ase a river khonor 57 north bank tributaries ase and 32 south bank tributaries amar gute gikhon dorkar nohoy jikhon important hoy we will discuss that but at least you should know the number which is associated with respective to the north bank tributaries and to the south bank tributaries. A river khone, the fertile plain of the Brahmaputra valley, is coinciding with 57 north tributaries. That is the north bank tributaries. Mane kuntu ephalo. And 32 south bank follow. That is the left and to the right. And what I have told you, the Uttar Par or Dokhin Par, also known as Uttar Kula or Dokhin Kula. Okay. So with this very geomorphological variation, we have got different types of soils also, or we have got different types of zones in associated with this respective Brahmaputra river. Are ebilak zones kunbilak koy Brahmaputra valley zones bilak. The first is known as the Bhabar zone. The second is known as the Tarai zone. The third is known as the built-up zone, and the fourth is known as the floodplain zone. A fourth zone of Amar divide. Okay, that is the Bhabar zone, Tarai zone, built-up zone, and floodplain zone. What I am talking about? I am talking about the Brahmaputra Valley. Brahmaputra Valley is जितनी मैं कोई तो the 57 north bank tributaries declare a plain plate करे, and in the south we are directly going up with the 32 bank tributaries. At this point of time, this 57 plus 32 directly creates some type of zone because we all know Khodiat jitu kheti hobo, Dhugurit he kheti tu nohobo pare. Khodiat jitu soil ami pam, Dhugurit he soil to ami apabo pare. Majulit he soil to ami napabo pare. Guwahatit ami he soil to napabo pare. So therefore, with this very flow of the river and with these various tributaries, we could see there are 4 zones that are associated with respective to the Brahmaputra Valley. Okay, and a zone can code form kore. For today, I may not be explaining it because the time is over. Okay, I will extend it tomorrow with this respective zone. I will start with Bhabar, then I will go with Terai, then I will go with the built-up zone, and then with respect to the floodplain. And then I'll be going with the Badak zone. Okay. So everyone today enjoy the class. So Etya Mukwa, the people who are present over here, okay, have you learned something new today? Have you learned something new today? People over here.
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Enjoyed your class fully.
Good,
Yes,
good. That's the particular thing I need from you all. Okay, this type of Josh. If I directly say that how's the Josh of today? Okay, everybody should say the high, sir. Is it? Or everyone is like low today? Is everyone low today? Or everyone high? That's the thing. That's the thing I want with everyone. Okay, so we should be everywhere, every time. Be it morning, be it afternoon, be it evening. Whenever you are attending my classes, everyone should be with a very high Josh. Okay, so with this high Josh, Assam did not know few terms. Give it today. अरे विक्रम, many more to come. अभी तो और आना बाकी है. अभी तो तुम लोग को like hardly you have done with the 2 hours. अभी तो 58 hours बाकी है. और वो मैं extend कर भी सकता हूँ 2-3 घंटा. Okay, so like we'll be going with the flow. Okay, तो देखता हूँ कौन कैसे असम का जो अभी इतना कितना ही स्टूडेंट्स है यहाँ पे. Hardly some 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Supposedly मान लिया 15-16 स्टूडेंट्स है. 1 लाख वैकेंसी 10-15 तो मिल ही जाएगा ना हम लोग को. आराम से मिल जाएगा. क्यों नहीं मिलेगा? हम पाएगा आराम से. एक भी टेंशन ना. If we go with such type of flows, if we go with such type of topics, if you are very much attentive, then we will surely go with a very flow and we will surely crack this type of exam. Okay. So therefore, we'll join in all tomorrow. We'll let's say and do keep in mind the article I have okay. I'll really love to see you obeying my command. Okay. So thank you all. We'll all meet you tomorrow with the same timing. Okay. Good night. See you. Sayonara.